Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to log in to Boom Beach. To log into Boom Beach, first of all, download and launch open the Boom Beach app on your device. Once you end up in this screen, go ahead and tap on the gear button on the left hand side menu. This will open up the settings interface. Here, tap on the off button where it says Supercell ID. Now, if you already have a Supercell ID, you can simply log into your account. If you don't have one, however, you'll need to create a new one. For those who have the Supercell ID already, tap on Yes, log me in, and then click on the Continue button and enter your Supercell ID email address. After typing down your email, click on Login. Enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and then open up the email that you received from Supercell. After typing it down, click on Submit. Select your account and then click Connect. You will then be able to log in with your Supercell ID. Now once you have connected Boom Beach with Supercell, you can continue accessing your Boom Beach account. And just like that, you're logged in and ready to jump back into the action in Boom Beach. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Crazy Gamer for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.